Hey there, focus seekers and productivity enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic that's going to revolutionize the way you approach your daily tasks and goals. We're talking about micro habits, those tiny, almost effortless actions that, when done consistently, can lead to massive improvements in your focus and productivity. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Another productivity hack? I've tried everything. But trust me, these aren't your run-of-the-mill tips. These are battle-tested, scientifically backed strategies that I've personally used to transform my own life and work. And the best part? They're so simple, you can start implementing them right after this video. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of what micro habits are. Essentially, they're small, actionable behaviors that require minimal motivation or effort to complete. They're so tiny that they almost feel insignificant, but that's their superpower. Because they're so easy to do, you're more likely to stick with them, and over time, these small actions compound into significant results. So without further ado, let's jump into our first micro habit that's guaranteed to boost your focus and productivity. 1. The 2-minute rule. This is a game changer, folks. The concept is simple. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Don't put it off. Don't add it to your to-do list. Just get it done right then and there. I remember when I first started implementing this rule. I was skeptical, thinking, how much of a difference can 2 minutes really make? But let me tell you, it was like a weight lifted off my shoulders. All those little tasks that used to pile up and nag at the back of my mind, replying to a quick email, filing a document, or tidying up my desk, suddenly disappeared. The beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it prevents small tasks from snowballing into bigger, more time-consuming problems. Plus, it gives you a sense of immediate accomplishment, which can be a great motivator for tackling larger tasks. 2. The Pomodoro technique. Next up, we have the Pomodoro technique. This time management method involves working in focused 25-minute bursts, followed by short 5-minute breaks. After 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. I was introduced to this technique during a particularly stressful period at work, and it was a total game changer. Not only did it help me stay focused during those 25-minute sprints, but it also made daunting tasks feel more manageable. Breaking my work into these bite-sized chunks made even the most overwhelming projects feel doable. The key here is to truly focus during those 25 minutes. Close unnecessary tabs, put your phone on silent, and give your undivided attention to the task at hand. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just 25 minutes of deep, focused work. 3. Declutter your workspace. Our third micro habit is all about creating a clutter-free environment. Take just 5 minutes at the start or end of each day to tidy up your workspace. A clear space leads to a clear mind, and you'd be surprised how much this simple act can boost your focus and productivity. I used to be a bit of a desk hoarder, with papers, books, and random knickknacks scattered everywhere. But when I started implementing this daily decluttering habit, I noticed an immediate difference in my ability to concentrate. There's something about a clean, organized space that just invites productivity. 4. Daily mindfulness practice. Now, I know mindfulness might sound a bit woo-woo to some of you, but hear me out. Incorporating just 5 minutes of mindfulness or meditation into your daily routine can significantly improve your focus and overall well-being. When I first started meditating, I thought I was doing it wrong because my mind kept wandering. But that's the whole point. It's about noticing when your mind wanders and gently bringing it back to the present moment. This practice strengthens your ability to focus, which carries over into your work and daily life. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time. Just find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath for 5 minutes. Apps like Headspace or Calm can be great for guided meditations if you're just starting out. 5. Limit screen distractions. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are just a notification away. That's why our 5th micro habit is all about limiting these digital interruptions. Use app blockers or your phone's built-in focus modes to minimize distractions during your work hours. I used to be that person who'd check their phone every time it buzzed, breaking my concentration and derailing my productivity. But when I started using app blockers and setting specific times for checking emails and messages, my productivity skyrocketed. It's amazing how much more you can get done when you're not constantly being pulled away by notifications. 6. Start with a clear priority list. Our 6th micro habit is all about starting your day with intention. Take just a few minutes each morning to write down your top 3 priorities for the day. This simple act helps you focus on what's truly important and prevents you from getting sidetracked by less crucial tasks. I used to start my days feeling overwhelmed, not knowing where to begin. But since I've started this practice of identifying my top priorities, I feel more focused and in control. Even on days when unexpected tasks pop up, having this clear priority list helps me stay on track and ensure the most important things get done. 7. End-of-day reflection. Our final micro habit is a 5-minute reflection at the end of each day. Take a moment to review what you've accomplished, what you've learned, and what you want to focus on tomorrow. This practice helps you celebrate your wins, learn from your challenges, and set yourself up for success the next day. I find this habit particularly powerful because it gives me a sense of closure for the day and helps me transition into my personal time. It's also a great way to track your progress over time and identify areas where you might need to adjust your approach. And there you have it, folks. 7 micro habits that can instantly improve your focus and productivity. Remember, the key to success with these habits is consistency. They might seem small, but when done regularly, they can lead to massive improvements in your work and life. I'd love to hear which of these micro habits resonated with you the most, or if you have any of your own to share. Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more productivity tips and tricks. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. So start implementing these micro habits today and watch your focus and productivity soar. Until next time, stay focused and keep crushing those goals.